Hi there, my name is Ashley, and in this video I will tell you answers to the question, how do beginners do SEO? So if you are new to SEO and you want to learn about how to do SEO for a website, stay tuned because I will walk you through it step by step and give you SEO tips so that you can grow an online business. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to walk away with some powerful, actionable steps to get your SEO strategy up and running. If this is your first time here, please hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss any new videos. Please give the video a like because that motivates me to make more content for you. Thank you very much. Let's get right into it. If you're just getting started with search engine optimization, which is SEO, then a step-by-step SEO tutorial is what you may need. By this point, you've likely heard of a few basic terms such as keyword research and on-page optimization, but how do you apply all the knowledge you've gathered so far? I am going to walk you through it step by step. No matter how new you are to SEO, anyone can get started. I will provide you with SEO tips which can help you rank a website. I will now give you some powerful tips for SEO to help you get started. Here we go. So the first tip is to find relevant keywords for your online business. Keyword research is as simple as picking a list of words and phrases relevant to your business. Let me tell you about keyword research. Keyword research is the process of discovering valuable search queries that your target customer type into search engines like Google to look for products, services, and information. Why is keyword research important? If you publish a page on a topic that no one is searching for, that article won't receive any traffic from Google or other search engines. Keyword research helps you ensure that there is a search demand for whatever you want to write about. If your web page ends up ranking well in Google for its target keyword, you'll be enjoying a consistent stream of highly targeted visitors to it. Keyword research starts from putting yourself in the shoes of your customers. What words and phrases might they use to find solutions to their problems? I suggest that you then put these keywords into a keyword research tool like Ahrefs Keyword Explorer, and you'll find thousands more relevant keyword ideas on top of what you just brainstormed. It's a simple process, but you need two things to do it well. You will need to have good knowledge of your industry and an understanding of how keyword research tools work. I want you to think about which words are most likely to get people to do what you want them to do. For example, visit your website and submit a form, and focus on those words. You can use a dedicated keyword research tool, but as a beginner, I would suggest to choose your keywords intuitively at first. Let me give you an example. If you sell roasted coffee, you might opt for roasted coffee, Colombian coffee, and local coffee roaster. My advice is to list these keywords out in a spreadsheet or document for you to keep track of. Then pick one word or phrase to use on one page of your website. In other words, you don't want to target different keywords on one page. You want to target one keyword as well as any keywords it's semantically related to. For instance, you might write a page for local coffee roaster. In this page, you can target semantically related terms such as local coffee, coffee roaster near me, coffee roaster London, and locally roasted coffee. Here is the next tip. Put keywords in the web page title. Once you've chosen a keyword, it's time to put it into action. First up, you want to put it in your web page's title. The page title is one of the most important things that Google and other search engines evaluate to determine what is on a web page. It's what appears on top of your web page's result in the search engine results pages, which is known as the SERPs. Don't forget to keep it short. I recommend 65 characters or fewer to ensure that search engines don't trim your title, as this can happen in the search result. I want you to keep in mind that your brand name is part of the character count of your website's title. So here is the next tip. Put keywords in the page URL. Google and other search engines also use the text of the URL of the page to determine the content of the web page. I suggest that you should use your keyword or phrase specifically in the slug. My advice to you is not to overdo it. Let me give you a bad example of a slug that you should not use. Here it is. mycoffee.com/Atlanta-near-me-fulton-country-greater-Atlanta-area-coffee. My advice is to keep it short, descriptive, and simple. Let me give you an effective example of one that would be useful. Here it is. mycoffeecompany.com/Atlanta-coffee-roaster. Here is my next tip. Put keywords in your meta description. Your page's meta description can further tell search engines like Google and users what your page is about. While metadata is not nearly as important as it used to be, it still counts. Take advantage by putting your keyword or phrase in there. The description should be readable by a person and make sense, and the keyword metadata should focus on your keyword or phrase. My advice is to not make it long. Less is often more. So here is my next tip for you. Put keywords in your H1 text. The H1 text is usually the title of an article or some larger bold text at the top of your web page. Google and other search engines can see this, and they put extra importance on the words in the H1 text. Make sure your keywords or phrase is in there. Let me give you another tip. Use keywords in the page's content. Using your target keywords in your content is an essential part of your on-page SEO strategy. Let me tell you why. This is because doing that signals to search engines that the page is actually about the keyword and should show up in search results. Now, if you want to, you can get instant access to further SEO training with my partner website by clicking the link under the video at any time. I have heard from experts that you should use your keyword anywhere from 4 to 6 times to 10 to 12 times. My advice is to just write naturally, but to carefully avoid black hat practices such as keyword stuffing. In other words, don't write something like this. We are Atlanta Coffee Roasters, the best coffee roasting company in Atlanta, GA, where you can find Atlanta locally roasted coffee roasted by hand in our coffee shop serving the greater Atlanta area. That's simply unreadable. I want you to compare that with the content from the local coffee roaster company. Here it is. At Peach Coffee Roasters, we're passionate about single origin coffees and carefully crafted blends. We have 3 licensed coffee queue graders who select the best coffees from around the world and roast them to perfection. This obsession with quality extends to every step of the process, from green coffee sourcing to small batch roasting and using only the best brewing methods every time. So, of all the things that I have covered in this tutorial will help you with SEO even if you are a beginner. If you want to learn more about SEO, make sure you click the link down below the video now and check out the SEO Masterclass online course. This course will help you develop your digital skills with SEO and provide you with all the training and the knowledge you need to create a profitable business from start to finish. The link is in the description below the video, so check it out now. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and please give the video a like. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below and I will follow up with you. Thanks for watching.